Morning, everyone. Rye toast, some avocado, feta, cheese, and some spinach and some tomato. So we're off to a little surprise because I got something planned for us. I want to take him to a little place. You have no idea, eh, honey?
What?
You have no idea where we're going.
What's that?
And I just wanted to surprise him because this is our first week on off together. We are usually either working or got a rugby game. So Siasi decided not to go to his rugby game that was all the way in Kuma, which is about an hour away from us. And so I planned a little something.
We're back to our videos. Spend more time to videos, to make more videos for you guys to enjoy and like. And thanks God for this day. It's so much cold, but look, the sun is coming up. So thankful to God for His blessing. We are off from work today. Well, this is a good time for me and my wifey to go somewhere and have enjoy and funny day. It's pretty good. And surprise me. What girl, you surprised me? Is that good or not good?
Turn right.
See you there guys. Now she said I'm closing my eyes.
Yes, you have to close your eyes because he keeps trying to guess. He keeps trying to guess where we're going.
Now I'm closing my eyes
Yeah, you have to stop guessing.
and open my eyes when we there. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, hey! Mom, are you look so beautiful today? Yeah.
Siasi, do you know where we're going yet?
No.
We'll never know until we get there.
It's far away.
Oh my gosh, my cheeks are so red. It was so hot driving in because the sun was just shining on my face the whole time. But on our way here, right, this is not what I actually planned for us to come to. And we were supposed to turn off at this this other turn a long time ago, but there was a car in front of us and I just thought, oh, let's just keep following him because I didn't know where he was going. And this is where we ended up. We can still go to what I planned, but that's snow over there.
Well, look what covered.
No.
Look up.
Yeah. No, I did. That's snow over there, guys. This place is called Corin Forest. How wonderful! This is so beautiful. My hair is so ugly. It's so beautiful. I was actually trying to take him to Gibraltar Falls, which I'll still take him. Oh my gosh, my cheeks are so red. That is so cool. My cheeks are so hot, guys. Look at that snow. How cool. We're gonna have snow fire, but we didn't bring any gloves. No puffy jackets, not the right shoes. And it was so cold last night, guys. It was we got to -8, I think. Yeah, -8. Even the bloody river is ice cold.
Look the ice. It's so cold. There's the ice here. Come here. Mày sợ sao phải gì bụi.
What's that?
Bụi mà nó là mà luôn nè. It's so cold. Woo!
Or see the poser.
Look guys, it's so cold here. Hey, watch out. Masih shit me up. Hey, watch out. You don't shit vai ngay phòng không? Are you shit?
I'm scared now. It's so cold. My cheeks are still hot. But they're having lessons. That is so cool. I'm not coming all the way to the snow and not having a snow fight. You want another one? Huh? It's so hard, it's not collapsing. It's not what you see in the movies, guys. It's not what you see in the movies. Oh wow! Oh my god! Oh yeah, I'll get another one. Huh? Stop! Yes. Okay, we are not wearing the right shoes, are we, honey? We got sport shoes on, and one of those men slipped down there. How cute! He's so good. She did well. Oh, honey, you want to try it?
No.
Why?
Because if I'm trying, it's past all this stuff and then I'll drop it down there.
You end up down there in the gutter. That was a nice surprise, wasn't it, honey?
Yeah. So nice and cold.
Well, you've still got one more surprise because I didn't plan to come here. So we're actually going to go to where I plan to take him.
I'm so happy. And now I'm so freezing. You see that cold ice there? Thank you to my wife. Bring me here. This is a surprise, but thank you so much. I know I love this. Mwah. I love my wife so much.
Mwah. You've still got one other surprise, honey. So you have to close your eyes for this one. This is where I actually meant to bring Siosi. So let's go and get it, baby.
Keep riding forward. Look guys, this is a rainfall, riverfall, not rainfall, waterfall.
Wow, look at that, guys. That is so beautiful.
Look guys, this is waterfall. Yeah, this is the lesbian girl. Come here and have bad thing up here. Vậy lesbian kia. 같이 가락가락하면 girls and girls.
So we're home now. We've been home for a couple of hours and I'm gonna have some of my dinner, which I just cooked. I want to show you guys my food. I'm having some steak with mushroom sauce and veggies. Yummy! It's about the end of the night and I got really tired after I actually fell asleep. Yes, Yossi was watching the rugby and then watched White Chicks. And I just woke up and I realized that my poor hubby hadn't eaten and we hadn't made any food as well. So we're doing a run for Aussie and my sister. We're going to have McDonald's and I'm about to do comment of the day. And I pick Leah Lolopo. Do me a shout out, girl. Love how you guys speak Samoan in this vlog, even though you guys are mocking each other. Much love to you guys. Thank you so much, Leah. Is it Leah? Yeah. And the only reason why we don't speak as much Samoan is because I know that I have to edit it. And yeah, I'll always want subtitles for our non-Samoan speaking people. And it's a lot of work, you know. I just can't be bothered to do the subtitles, so I just tell Siosi just speak English.
Should I speak Samoan and you speak English?
I don't know, tell us what you guys want to do. I mean, we do feel for the ones that only understand English, but our Samoan subbies, do you like it when we speak Samoan, or should we just speak English because you guys will understand us anyways? Let us know how you feel about that. But we're gonna end the vlog. Tomorrow is another day and you're probably watching this Sunday night because I have not even started to edit this video at this very minute. But we love you guys so much and thank you for sticking by us and being loyal. See you guys.
Bye everyone.